Mastering Sentence Structure and Clarity, a Proofreading Checklist. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the heart of written communication, sentence structure and clarity. Why is this important? Because without it, your ideas can get lost, misunderstood, or worse, ignored. Let's explore how you can polish your writing to perfection by mastering these key aspects. To have clear communication, you must first understand the basics of sentence structure. Every English sentence should have at least a subject and a verb. But it's not just about grammar, it's about how you use and combine those elements. 1. Simple sentences. Contains one independent clause. E.g., she reads. 2. Compound sentences. Contains two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions or punctuation. E.g., she reads, and he writes. 3. Complex sentences. Contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. E.g., while she reads, he writes. 4. Compound complex sentences. Contains two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. E.g., while she reads, he writes, and their cat sleeps. 1. Fragments. These are incomplete sentences. They may be missing a subject or verb. E.g., reading in the park. Corrected. She is reading in the park. 2. Run-on sentences. These sentences fuse two independent clauses without proper punctuation or conjunction. E.g., she reads, he writes. Corrected. She reads, he writes. 3. Misplaced modifiers. These are words or phrases placed too far from the word they modify, causing confusion. E.g., she almost drove her kids to school every day. Corrected. She drove her kids to school almost every day. 1. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary words. Instead of, due to the fact that she was tired, she went to bed, say, because she was tired, she went to bed. 2. Use active voice. It's direct and easier to understand. Instead of, the book was read by her, say, she read the book. 3. Avoid ambiguity. Be specific in your writing. Instead of, she met her at the park, specify who, her, refers to. 1. Read out loud. This can help catch awkward phrasings and long-winded sentences. 2. Take a break. Before proofreading, step away from your writing. A fresh perspective can help identify errors. 3. Use a checklist, like the one we're discussing. Consistently using a checklist can make proofreading systematic and thorough. Remember, learners, writing is both an art and a science. With practice, the principles of good sentence structure and clarity will become second nature. Keep your checklist handy and practice often. Here's to clearer, sharper writing. Cheers!